guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lily, and today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. So this is my reborn. Oh wait, crap! I shouldn't be showing the address. Is the address on here?
That's okay.
It's upside down, but whatever. All right. So yeah, this is the box. It's kid door or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna have to get up because I'm short when I'm sitting down. Okay, so, oh my goodness. So, you guys can get like a peek. Here, there's a little flip camera. So there's a little peek. Oh my goodness, she looks so pretty. Okay, alright. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know like how I should get it out. She's so heavy. I'm getting it from. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I should be very gentle with her. Her little jacket and everything is so sweet. If you guys hear any noises, it's probably the people working on my deck, or my dad working on my deck. Hi! Oh my goodness, you look so pretty. Oh my goodness. Hi! 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 Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna take off. Oh my gosh. Her hands and everything is wrapped up, her hair and stuff. Here she is. She kind of looks like a baby, but I'm pretty sure she does also look like a dog. Hi. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take off her hat. I want to see her hair. Whoa, my goodness. I'm trying to be very careful. Oh my goodness. Her hair is so OMG. Her hair is so curly. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's take off your hands. Oh my gosh, take off her hands. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm just ripping the paper. Oops. Maybe I should like sit her. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to put her. Like,
Put her in the
I'm just, no, I'm just gonna put her like this so I can get her stuff off. Because like maybe I'll do that after. Okay, so this is her hat. It's super cute and it's like a little thing. I haven't seen her shirt. I really want to see her shirt. Her shirt was so cute. It's exactly. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at her shirt. It's so cute. I want to be like so gentle. Like I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. All right, so the rest of the stuff is in here. Oh, her passy fell out. Alright, so this is her passy. Just really quick, easy pacifier. Alright, and then, oh my goodness, guys. So these are all the things in here. Her shoes, her little stuffed animal. Oh, okay, so I'm going to show you guys her stuffed animal first. Oh, it's so sweet. She can sleep with her, or him. I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure it's a her. Alright. Her shoes are adorable. They're little white ones. I have white Vans, so I think that'll be like okay too. And we can match if I have any matching clothes that I could match with her. Like our shoes could match and stuff. They're so cute. These are her little shoes. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Her little bottle is so cute too. Here, I'll have this. I'm probably going to say things are so cute, like a lot in this video. Alright, so. Whoa, what the heck? This cap is on tight.
Look.
Jeez, what?
I have to go call the patient.
Okay. So that's so cute. It's so neat. Her little bottle is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna say everything's so cute so many times in this video. I told you guys when I was doing a unboxing video. Reborn baby, wanting, choking house or whatever. Alright. So reborn. Master doll maker, chief doll, inspector, just date of birth, wait. Okay, my name is, okay. So this is her birth certificate. This is super cute. It's her little birth certificate. I shouldn't probably show the names or whatever, but yeah. Oh my goodness. She's so sweet. I'm trying to put her Cassie in. Whatever, it's fine. She doesn't really need it right now. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the wrapping and stuff. And like, she's adorable. Guys, I'm not even joking. Like, I didn't know she was gonna be this pretty and like stuff. Like her picture, sure, like it's the same exact kind of, but like her hair is so cute and stuff. I'm literally ripping this paper off. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, her hands. She literally is so beautiful. I'm trying to get these off the nicest way I can, but it's so hard to do that because there's like tape all over and stuff, but it's okay. We'll make it work. I'm gonna have to clean up this mess because it is a lot of paper and stuff. Make sure everything is off of her. I'm probably gonna like save like money and get her some clothes and stuff. Her feet are so cute and everything. Oh my gosh, hi. Hi. You are so pretty and beautiful. Did you know that? I think you did because you are so pretty, so beautiful, so everything right now. I'm going to take off her coat really quick. I'm probably going to end this video soon so I can go like do stuff with her and stuff. So her little jacket has like a little heart and like she has her little bow right there. Oh, both her little bows are on her little jacket. Her jacket's so sweet and so cute. Oh, you guys. Literally, she's so sweet. Look at her little curls. Look at her little curls. They're so cute. Just like my hair. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end the video here just because, I don't know, just because I want to go, like, get her and stuff. And I will do a video tomorrow, I think I will. Yeah, I'll probably do a video tomorrow with her. So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Bye, beep, 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 beep. Aw, you're so sweet. Aw, I love you. Alright, I love you guys so much. Please hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified for all my videos. And hit that big thumbs up. And also, comment down below if you guys think I should do some more videos with her and give me some video ideas with her. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.